Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to mint your Godhood ID on the Gaea platform. First, you'll need to prepare your digital wallet. Connect a compatible wallet, such as MetaMask or BitGet, to the Gaea website. Make sure your wallet contains approximately 10 to 12 USD on the base network to cover the minting cost. Additionally, have a small amount of base Ethereum ready for the necessary transaction gas fees. Next, you'll proceed to the core of your Gaea identity, the Godhood test. Locate the Mint Godhood ID section on the platform. You will then be prompted to complete a personality test, which typically involves around 93 questions. Answer these questions based on your first instinct. This process usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes to finish. After completing the test, you'll see your Godhood ID evaluation report and its associated privileges. If you have a referral code, enter it now to potentially receive extra rewards, like a mystery box. Then, carefully review the transaction details. You will need to approve the payment of 10 USD within your connected wallet to finalize the minting process. Congratulations! Once your payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation that your Godhood ID has been minted. You can now access your unique Godhood ID and its associated benefits directly within your Gaea profile. This includes perks such as a 1.5 times multiplier on soul points and eligibility for mystery box rewards, enhancing your experience on the platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.